Hello everybody. Now here we got another question. This question was asked in Salesforce and the difficulty level was medium. Now let's just go ahead and see what the question is. Here it says find the highest target achieved by employee or employees who works under the manager ID 13. So let's say there is a manager whose ID is 13 and under him there are 10 employees, right? And the highest achieved target was, let's say, X. So we need to figure out what all are the employees under this manager who achieved the target X. That's what we need to find. So how are we going to figure out that? So and in the final output, it is asking us to produce output the first name of the employee and the target which he or she has achieved. The solution should show the highest target achieved under manager ID 13 and which employee achieved it. Let's have a look at the expected output. What is the expected? What is the output which is expected? It's as simple as that. So first of all, it says the first name and the target which is, so like you can see the highest target was 400 and all of these three folks have achieved this target. Okay, now the next thing which I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a very quick view of the data, how the data looks like. So here is the data. That this is how the data looks like, right? So you can see this data. So here we have the manager ID and here we have not the first name, here we have the first name and here we have the target. All right, I just hope that you have seen this data and understood. If not, then slow down the video and see it, or maybe you can pause it also. Now this thing I'm going to achieve in 3 steps. First, filter the employees under manager ID 13. Okay, then find the maximum value, find the max target achieved, and then find the employees who achieved that. Okay, so in 3 simple steps. Why I'm going to do this in 3 steps? Because I want to take a very layman approach so that it could be simple, right? So let's just start with it. First thing, here is the data frame. Now I need to look for those employees who are working under manager ID 13. So 2 things which I need out of that is first name and the target which they have achieved under manager ID equals to 13. All right, just a second here. I need to take this for later purpose, and over here I just need to use manager ID, nothing much, manager ID. So here I'm simply trying to filter all those employees who are working under manager ID, and the 2 columns which I require is first name and the target, not all the columns which I require. Okay, now let's just hit enter and fetch the data. Bravo, it's just given an error. What it says is false. What is it? Why it is saying false? Let me just see it very quickly. Salesforce employees, and inside that, okay, so I just need to say this thing again over here. Now these are all the employees who are working under manager ID 13. Okay, now I need to keep only 2 columns, which is first name and the target. Good, we are good, right? Now the next thing which we need to do is find the maximum target achieved. So let me just put this in a separate data frame. So whatever I just queried over here, I'm going to put that in manager 13. Okay, this is the data frame which I'm going to create, and out of manager 13 I'm going to find the maximum in target. I'm going to pick the target column out of it, and then I will find the max value. What is the maximum value? 400 that I got. I'm going to put that in a variable called maximum target. Okay, max target which is achieved. And now the next thing, again I'm going to put a filter on, but this time I'm going to put a filter on this data frame, not on the original. And into this data frame I'm going to use target value. Target should be equals to max this one which I just created over here, right? this equals to this, whatever I get equals to this, that's what I'm going to produce right over here. And here is the answer which we got. You got it? So first thing what we did is we took out all those employees who are working under manager 13. Then we took specific columns which we would require for our output. Then out of this new data frame which we created, I found out what is the maximum target which have been achieved. And then I found out who all are the employees who have achieved this maximum target. That is it. I just hope that it was very simple for you to understand. In case if you got any question, put that into the comment section. And if you liked it, give a thumbs up, share it with your friends so that it could be helpful for them as well. And yes, last but not the least, if you're someone who have not subscribed yet, please subscribe. Hit the subscribe button. That's for our motivation. Thanks once again. Wish you good luck.